Hello friends, this is Sai Fanendra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice-oriented lectures, completely practical, real-time, and step-by-step guidance to prepare you ready for your job work. Come on, in this short video, let's have a quick look to our courses, the job profiles, and the upcoming schedules. Let's have a specific plan to upskill ourselves and get ready for next generation technologies. The trending technologies right now in the market, undoubtedly SQL, the vaccine for our resume. You would like to get into data analyst or data engineer or data science or admin or BI developer, business intelligence developer, or anything, everything. SQL is the boss. He is the actual boss. SQL is the actual boss. And good to start with box number 1 you see on the screen. You are aware of box 1 concepts. Happily proceed for either programming zone, green course. If in case you are looking for something into coding, development, then programming. If not, whatever we learn in box 1, though it is titled basics, yes, it will start from the basics, but let me tell you, whatever we learn in box 1 should be sufficing us, should be enough, pretty sure enough to step into either data analyst job role, either you like to go for the data analyst job role, or you would like to go for example like data engineer job role or BI developer. Anything, everything SQL, the yellow box on my screen. This SQL yellow box content would be sufficing. It would be enough to step into the next level courses. A detailed step-by-step start of our journey in the yellow box basics, and this is a complete yellow box content right from the database introduction to something called self-references, self-joins, and nice real-world case study activities. We'll be doing it in our classes. Various job roles. You may plan for data analyst job role, SQL, then Power BI. SQL 3 weeks, that yellow box 3 weeks, and then Power BI 4 weeks. Total 7 weeks journey. Or you may opt for the big data analytics. You start with SQL, slowly step into Power BI, and then data engineer. 3 weeks for SQL, 4 weeks for Power BI, and 7 weeks for Azure Data Engineer. Total 14 weeks, out of which 3 weeks first initially SQL, then you may take Power BI and Data Engineer recommended in sequence. If you have good amount of time to practice during the day, then you may do in parallel as well as per your comfort and the practice zone. We assure you complete practice orientation. We provide you the step-by-step information for your practice. We provide you the step-by-step documentation for your reference. We provide you concept-wise FAQs. You will submit your assignments on time throughout the course for any particular schedule or any particular technology you enroll for. Job role number 4, BI developer. SQL with MSB and Power BI. New batch from April 26th. or Azure BI Developer job role, which is more into MSBI plus data engineer ETL development and Power BI activities. Or if you are looking for something into more experience, multi-cloud technologies, you may opt for Azure Data Engineer plus Snowflake plus Power BI. It would be for a experienced profile. Or role number 7, we have SQL Database Administrator plus Azure Admin, Azure DBA Cloud and Power BI Admin, another cloud. Again, multi-cloud activities. Total 7 different trending job roles right now in the market. Just in case, number 1, data analyst. Number 2, big data analytics adding Azure. Number 3 is into BI development, SQL plus MSBI, or number 4 adding Power BI to the list. Or 5, Azure BI Developer. 6, multi-cloud data engineer paired with Power BI. Or 7, administration profile. We assure you complete practice orientation right from the scratch. Weekly feedbacks, in-person care, making you job ready, our duty. Make sure you practice on time throughout the course. And here are the schedules lined up for next week and later next week from now. Assuring you complete practice orientation. We shall look forward for your free demo class access. You may reach us on our website sqlschool.com. You see the latest schedules on our website sqlschool.com. You may register, go home and click on register now and just register for whichever course and the schedule you are looking for. And our team, we provide you the complete course details beforehand. Go through them carefully, attend for 1 or 2 classes, see how it go and get all your clarifications, then proceed for a small friendly assignment towards registration to get into our course. We request you to complete one enrollment test after attending 1 or 2 demo classes as you wish. The test would be on the demo content only, on the introduction content, just to understand where we are, how much effort we need to put, just to gear up confidence, nothing else, just to gear up confidence for our beautiful journey ahead. Thank you so much. Have a nice time and see you there in the live demo. Thank you so much. Have a nice time once again. Thank you.